Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make adjustments on your picture on the Facetune application, such as changing its brightness, contrast, color and sharpening it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select the picture that you want to edit. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the edit button. The first function is the brightness that you can adjust by the help of this slide in the middle of the screen. You can select the contrast, the color, you can sharpen it. There is the grain function, light function, and you can also adjust the shadows, highlights, saturation, the structure, the temperature, and you can also adjust the vignette, which will draw attention to the center of your picture. If you are done with all these changes, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Save the changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.